Hey everyone, it's That Makeup Mama, and I just did this look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you see by the pictures, it looks more extravagant in person. It's just my lighting right now. Oh, terrible lighting. So yeah, this is the look. It's using purples and blues. Jump into this look. We're going to be using purples and blue and a little tiny bit of green. So purples, blues, and greens, okay? I'm just using this palette by Clean Colors. This one, and then Eyes and Cheek palette. Which this one, they don't really have names. This one's the All About Me palette. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and start. The first thing you're going to want to do is apply a primer. This is Baby Blue by NYX. Just apply that to your eyelid. And we're going to match this with a nude lip, you guys. Okay, so the first step that you're going to want to do is use this bright blue right here. It's very bright. And you're going to want to use a shadow brush for that, which I'm using this one by Sonia Kashuk. And you're going to want to apply, I'm going to zoom in just a little. So you're just going to want to apply that right there in your inner corner and like 3/4 out. Okay, so just like about that much. You're going to want to take a blending brush, kind of like a dome brush looking thing. And as you see, it has purple on it. So we're going to take that purple one right there. And you can use any purple and blue, you guys. And you're just going to apply that on the outer frame. Okay, and just like play with it. And blend it up into that crease. So it kind of looks just like that. A little bit of product goes a long way, you guys. Okay, so then you're going to want to go back over it with that blue. You have to play with this look just a little bit to get the right wearable look. Okay? Then you're going to take another dome brush. This is my NYX one. It's a makeup artist brush. And you're going to put some green on that. And then you're just going to go over that purple and into that corner. Kind of like trying to tone it down, but really it's just going to make a different color because you're going to go right back over it with that purple. Okay. So then you're going to want to take a like a liner brush. This is what mine looks like. It's by Sonia Kashuk. So sorry for that, guys. I used that green in my corner because I didn't tell you. I'm using this blue on my waterline. Well, not really on my waterline, but right down there. And then you're just going to wing that out until you blend it with that purple. Okay? So we're looking good so far. Thus far. You're going to take that brush without putting anything on it and just like kind of blend over that blue. And then you're going to take that blue that you used on your inner corner and just go back over it a tiny bit. So that's the look. Also, we're going to take some liquid what? Mascara. Duh, mascara is liquid, right? Private Eye Mascara for Boxy Lashes is what we're going to be using. And over our eyelashes. So it looks just like that. And then we're going to go with the highlighting color below our eyebrows. I did not do my eyebrows today. So I'm just taking this color right here, because it's my skin tone. Or you can take like a lighter purple and go underneath of it. But I'm going to use my skin tone. So it looks just like that, and I'm going to do that with the other eye as well. So that is the look right here. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to pair that with a nude lip, or just like a pink lip. We're going to use some Cabernet. Not a lot, because it's really just like a nude color. Looks like that. And that's what the bottom looks like. That's what you see when you buy it. Okay? So that's the look, guys.